I'm Nathaniel and today we are now going to do question H of MAT 2022. So 3 log 2x plus 1 is x squared plus, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Multiply that by 2 since there's a plus 1 at the end. This will be at log 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals to log 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 6x plus 2. Then we are now going to delete these log 2's because we can just compare the arguments of the logarithm, take away 2x cubed, and then end up with x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. So we are now going to calculate the discriminant. B squared minus OIC equals to 16 minus 4 equals to 12. Now to see if both roots are positive. X equals to or plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 over 2 equals to 2 plus minus the square root of 3. Since these roots are both positive, we can then calculate that the answer to question H is C. Well, see you in another MAT video.